What is going on? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy 360 Juice, and I'm back with another video for y'all, man. Alright, y'all, so as y'all know, if you don't know, well, I got a second channel. I got that link down in the description below, and I would really appreciate it if you click that link and subscribe to my second channel. I would really appreciate it because we are almost at 1,000 subscribers, okay, on that second channel. So please do me a favor and go subscribe to my second channel. Road to 1K. And also, guys, you want to copy a 2-6 King Wavy merch. If you like this 2-6 King Wavy velvet do-rag that I have on, I have that link in the description below also. Alright, click that link. It's going to take you over to the website. Anything you purchase off that website, don't forget to use the discount code 360juice26 to get 26% off your purchase. So today's video is gonna be a reaction video. I know I uploaded yesterday. You know, I'm not doing nothing today, so I'm just like, why not just, you know, post another video, man. So I'm doing a quick reaction video to this kid's father cutting off his dreads, man. That's very emotional, you know, growing up with hair and then all of a sudden your dad wants to cut it off. You know, I haven't seen the video, but I just saw the title and I'm like, wow, that's very you know, I want to see what happens. So y'all gonna see my reaction to it, and y'all gonna react to it too, because you know, I don't know what I'm gonna witness. But without further ado, guys, let's get into the video.
They ain't sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it, hey.
Gotta make sure it's not copyrighted, man. There you go, that's what's up. No copyright, so it's good. He looks like he about 8-9, man. His dad really about to take his hair. He grew up with that junk too. He need all them clippers. He look like he about to give him a taper. His son ain't never had a taper before, so he probably gonna give him a taper. Or a fade or something. Something that has to do with a fade. You know, he's scared, boy. He about to get him waves. His son was probably like, Dad, I want waves, Dad. Dad, give me some waves. Welcome to the wave game, brother. He's scared, man. He's scared. Why you do this to him, Dad?
Look, every parent should know the power of apologies. Now I apologize for being more locked and key, for being more set and free, for expressing my creativity through you. It's almost like you never knew you. Just go ahead, little shawty, express yourself. You know, I'ma always tell you protect yourself, but this time, it's from me. I planted seeds follically, each dread looking like a branch off an olive tree. Taking credit for the growth of monopoly. They gon' probably throw stones, but you rock with me this long. To me, this just isn't your hair. This is twisting our relationship that's knitted with care. This is nap time, times nappy headed, times you falling asleep.
He coming crazy at his son, man. I don't know what y'all think, but he just call him nappy headed. Hey, man, get you some waves, man.
While I dread it, I hope you don't forget it. I took enough video. I hope I'm not sounding like I want some pity though. Proud of you. I hope you understand. Making decisions like this is what turn boys into men. Since you began, I've been a fan. I'm holding your hand. You make the plans. Hope you forgive me for blocking your low light, but I just need to know.
Okay, you're sure, right?
He not sure. He ain't even shake his head. He like, nah, Dad. Oh. It's going. It's good. He about to get waves, yo. He about to look like a new man. I mean, a new kid. Dang. I can't watch this no more. like excited but scared. He's nervous. All that junk going. Imagine he was just rocking that one dread right there. Yeah, it's all going now. Man, you gotta wash that junk. You gotta wash his hair, condition everything, and get that brush working, man. Oh, he going against the grain too. He cut it too low. He should have gave him like a 2 or something. Man, he bald head, man. That's why he giving his son a baldy, man. That's all he ever knew. Can't be giving him a baldy, dog. Give him like a 1. He like, nah, I gotta go lower than that. Let me go lower. He not bald enough. I want you to be like me.
I know I can't touch my eyes.
Yeah, your eyes itching. Okay, well close your eye. Close your eyes. Oh, close your eyes.
Snow.
Oh, bruh. Please, bruh. I don't got time to get copyrighted, man. I don't got.
Daddy never wants you to go through the that depression I had.
I don't got time for no copyright. Where you at? Bro, let me see the end result, yo. Come on, let me see.
Hello.
Hi, Dia.
Hi.
Let me see, let me see.
I'm so happy. Are you happy?
Bro,
Okay.
Here, but there's an attachment.
To know that.
can I see? Can I see? Okay, okay. This just got me mad. Alright, I'm done. I'm done. So, they wasted my time, yo. I watched the whole video. Y'all seen, I watched the whole video. And they ain't let me see the cut, man. I mean, they did give me some instructions if I want to see the cut, but hey, too much work, man. That's too much work. That was a dope video, though, man. Hey, Theo, welcome to the Wave Game. If you watching this video, welcome to the Wave Game. My name 360 Juice. I'm going to teach you how to get waves. Watch all my videos from beginning to end. You feel me? I post every day, consistently, and I'm here to help you get the best 360 waves in the world. Hey, that was dope. Hey, man, thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, comment. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for your boy. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.